That was a big bump I didn't even see. Come on. Wow, look at that. This is some pretty neat rock here. It's not as green as it normally is today. I think the lighting is just a little bit off. Looks like it's composed mostly of just like dirt. Yeah. Hey, come on down. Come on, get off of there. Don't want to cause any erosion. I'm sure nobody would be appreciative of my dog running around on that stuff. I've been looking at these for weeks now, wondering what they look like up close, and it is really neat. Wow, Utah is just such a diverse array of landscapes and ecosystems. I'm glad I have the opportunity to come down here and explore it a little bit, because it just has so much to offer. And right now the sun's shining, it's windy, but it's 40 degrees. It feels great out here. It's a good day to take off. Leap, good wait. Good girl, look at you. You're listening. Good girl, yeah. What a good girl. Hey, watch those teeth. Watch those teethers. Yeah. Good girl. Well, folks, it is New Year's Eve, and the weather has definitely changed down here in southeast Utah. It's just dumping snow right now, and we're under a winter storm warning. They're calling for up to 6 inches of snow here in the valley. So that should make for a pretty interesting New Year's. Wow, folks, it is really coming down out here. Come on, girl. Ugh. Look at how pretty it is out here. It's getting a little slippery here. Oh man, snow is making things really, really slippery. I couldn't even get up that little tiny hill without getting a bit of a run at it, so hopefully things don't get too much more tricky here, because I don't want to risk my home. Well, this road is starting to get a lot more interesting. It almost doesn't even look like a road anymore. It looks more like a creek bed. I don't know how much more difficult this trail is going to get. Whatever 3D is off of the Bartlett Wash. I don't know if I missed my turn or what, but driving through these dry creek beds when it's snowing out, I kind of feel like I'm maybe tempting fate a little bit here, and I really don't want to have to call up Trailmater or Rory from Moab Motorsports to come and get me unstuck. I think I'm just gonna keep going on this trail and hope for the best. Downside, yeah. Woo! Man, that's sketchy. The downside is, this road is getting pretty off camber here. Nope, not enough juice there. Try to punch it and get up on top of this hill here, so I can turn around in this camp spot that's right in front of me. Woo! Wow, what a cool campsite. Let's hop out, take a quick look at this area. Oh. Pretty neat. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to make an executive decision here and probably turn back. It just seems like it's too risky to go on this road. Never been on it before. I'm fairly certain that it's easy, but just seeing those couple sets of switchbacks right there that are off cambered pretty badly, and I was sliding right down into the hole. So I think it's time to turn around and go back to that other campsite. Uh-oh. This isn't good. Yeah, that's not good at all. If I get any closer to this edge here, I'm in big trouble. This is very soft. Oh yeah, look at that. Definitely need to stay on the trail and not play karaoke. When I'm on the swing with her, it makes me almost high. Well, it looks like the campsite is completely empty, which I have mixed feelings about. It would have been nice to be able to share New Year's with some people, but that's how it goes, and that's totally fine. I got about another week or so down here before I head back to Montana. I think this is going to be about it for tonight. It's pretty cold out here, and I need to get in and do editing for this week's video. Turns out I have a lot of content to sift through, so I'm got a lot of work ahead of me. So I'll see you all tomorrow.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed my video today. I'm going to be heading back to go and get this project done because I've been really looking forward to finally finishing this project that is taking far longer than I expected. So I hope you have a good year and a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Okay.